When good readers read aloud, their rate should be appropriate for their purpose of reading. Sometimes you need to adjust your rate to match what you are reading. I'm going to demonstrate that in our read aloud, The Future of Flight. Remember, I will be asking you some comprehension questions, so make sure you are listening carefully. Our world is shrinking fast, but don't panic. Our world is not really shrinking, but because air travel has made it easy to move from place to place, it sometimes feels that way. In past centuries, people traveled using horses, steam trains, and ships. It was very difficult and expensive to travel, and very few people did it. Today, a trip that used to take months takes only a matter of hours. The progress we have made in the field of flight gives many more people access to other cultures and opportunities. While few people would dispute the idea that air travel is fast and safe, environmentalists are concerned that all this air travel could hurt our planet. Like all forms of mechanical transportation, airplanes produce carbon dioxide. They also leave clouds in the sky called vapor trails. The carbon dioxide and vapor trails can make the Earth warmer. Scientists call carbon dioxide a greenhouse gas because it makes the Earth warmer, like a greenhouse in a garden. Scientists have calculated that airplanes are a superior form of transportation for long trips. There is less waste of time when passengers reach their destinations more quickly. Also, airplanes produce fewer greenhouse gases than cars, trains, or buses, and newer, more efficient planes are coming soon. An airplane inspector might not see a big difference on the outside of a newly designed plane compared to an older plane, but the new planes are made of strong material that's completely different from materials in older planes. Designers use this new material anywhere they can. It is stronger than metal, yet much lighter. In fact, the average plane made with this material will be almost 40% lighter than planes used to be. This means the new planes will burn much less fuel. Designers call the new material a composite. The future of aviation is full of promise because of new technology. You will be able to see more places all around the world, and it will cost less to do it. Someday, airplanes will even fly into space. This will make it possible to travel to the other side of the Earth in about an hour. One day, you might insert a key on the ignition of your own private plane. You'll leave New York in the morning, have lunch in Sydney, Australia, and be back in New York for dinner. It's just amazing to think about the future of flight and where it might go. So, anyway, now it is time to answer some questions. I want to encourage you to pause the video. I have 3 of them. Pause the video after each one and have a short discussion with your learning adult. So what is the environmental impact of airplanes? What do you think is the author's purpose for this article? What is the main idea of this passage?